The first step is understanding the problem. Money issues are rarely about income alone. They are about habits repeated every month. Change starts with awareness. Most people wait to save. They spend first and hope something remains. This approach almost always fails. Saving must come first. Paying yourself first changes everything. Savings should be automatic, not optional. When money never reaches your spending account, you learn to live without it. Even small amounts matter. Consistency is more powerful than size. Saving regularly builds discipline. Discipline builds stability. The next step is controlling lifestyle inflation. A raise should not mean instant upgrades. More income is an opportunity, not permission. Wealth grows when lifestyle stays stable. Not every purchase improves life. Many only increase monthly stress. Spending should be intentional, not emotional or impulsive. Debt must be handled with strategy. Debt drains future income. Minimum payments delay freedom. Debt reduction must be prioritized. Credit cards are tools, not income. They should support cash flow, not replace it. When credit funds lifestyle, financial progress stops. A simple budget creates clarity. It shows where money actually goes, not where you think it goes. Clarity leads to control. Budgets do not restrict freedom. They protect it. They allow spending without guilt because priorities are already decided. Emergency savings are essential. They turn crises into inconveniences. Without them, every problem feels urgent. Security begins with preparation. Once stability is built, growth becomes possible. Saving alone is not enough forever. Money should eventually work for you, not just sit idle. Investing rewards patience, not perfection. Starting early matters more than starting big. Time is the most valuable asset. Not income comparison must be rejected. Social media shows highlights, not reality. Most impressive lifestyles are financed by debt. True wealth is quiet. Success is not what others see. It is what you can handle in silence. Unexpected bills, job loss, life. Financial education changes outcomes. Most people were never taught these. Skills. Learning replaces stress with confidence and fear with clarity. Money management is not about perfection, it is about progress. Small improvements repeated monthly create life-changing results. A good salary is a powerful tool, but tools require skill to use. Without direction. Money disappears. With intention. It builds freedom. The solution is not earning more, it is managing better. Systems beat motivation always. Americans can fix this, not overnight, but intentionally. One habit at a time, one decision at a time. Money should reduce stress, not create it. It should support life, not control it. Financial peace is possible with education and discipline. This is not about being rich, it is about being secure, and security changes everything, including the future.